Good morning, everybody. My name is Richard N, and today I just want to dedicate this video to those that are using laptop, and the sole purpose is to guide you on how to be able to submit your assignment, locate the recorded videos on Digital Witch platform. It's basically just about going to the website, which is class.digitalwitchng.com. You can see this is the address here. This is the website address. So when you are here, you are required to go to the login. You can see that is the login at the top there. Now on the login, you can be able to log in with your email address and your password. This is if you've already had an account in this platform before. But if you have not created an account here before, what you are required to do is to go back to the top once more, click on register. When you click on register, you'll be presented with a form that requires your name, your last name. This one is the name they give to you when they give birth to you. This one is a family name. Then your email address, the one you wish to use to create your account. It has to be a Gmail, please. And it doesn't mean it must be the one that you filled in the Google form. All right. Now, they say, which program are you enrolling for? You need to come down here and select your program. Because you are doing IT support, you need to select this Digital Witch IT support training virtual assistant. That's the program you are coming for. Okay. Now, you need to put your password. Your password could be anything, in as much as you can remember that, that special password. You need to put it here. Then when you are done with entering the password, you need to check this box here. When you check this box, the next thing to do is to click on register. Now, let me demonstrate how this can be done by you. So assuming I was the one that wanted to register, what I will do is I'll come to this website being class.digitalwitchng.com, and I'll need to scroll up and click on register here. Now, when I click on register, this form comes up. I need to put in my name. So my name is, I'll put Richard N. Just put Nwachukwu here. Then what about the email? This could be the email. You have to put in your email, the correct email. Please do not make a mistake. Okay. Now, you say, which program are you enrolling for? You need to come down here. The first one here is what you are coming for. Since you're coming for IT support and you are in the June-July cohort, click on this one. All right. Now, enter your password here. Your password could be your phone number, it could be anything. Okay. So I'm going to enter my special password here. Just enter it and ensure you enter it again at the bottom where it says confirm password. Ensure it is the same thing that you entered at the top here that you're entering at the bottom here. Now, when you're done with that, click on I agree to terms. Once you agree to terms, the next thing to do is to click on register. Now, once you click on register, you'll be taken to the student dashboard. You can see it here. This is student dashboard. When you're on the student dashboard, you're going to be able to see a lot of things here. Now, depending on what you wish to do, if you want to be able to see your assignment, you need to come down here, click on assignment. You can see that here we have assignment here. If you want to see the class recording, maybe like you want to watch a recorded video, click on recordings. Look at the recorded video here. You can now click on this place to watch it. When you come to this page to watch it, you will notice that the thing is turning. It will turn and turn and turn, but you know, once you notice that it has stopped turning, you can then do what? You can then click on your play here to play the video. Play. As far as you are following these instructions and you do it correctly, you will not be able to have any issues when you are on this platform. Now, the next thing you can actually do is to write your assignment and submit. So it is recommended that after you watch this video, you can then proceed to create an assignment or to create an answer for your assignment. So what you can do is when you are done watching the video, or maybe you took the class that very first day on Saturday, you understood what the teacher taught and you know how to answer the question, go to the top again, you locate the assignment here, click on the assignment. Now on the assignment, you are going to come down below. You see this is the assignment here. It says Digital Week June July 26 assignment 1. Click on it. Now when you click on it, you will see where they wrote write your, they will see why, they will say write your answer. What you should do here is come down to this part here and just tell us what you understand by what the teacher asked us. One of the questions was, what is IT support? Okay, so whatever you understand by the term IT support, you can write it here. Okay, IT support is the extra layer of service provided by maybe tech product owner or tech sellers to their customers. That kind of stuff. You can put it there. Then they also say, what is SLA? So how the teacher explained it that morning, that SLA is an acronym for for service level agreement. You are going to put that one here and then write any other thing that you understand by the word SLA. Now, the other thing that she also taught us and she wants us to talk about is Google Drive. Google Drive. So when you write here, you need to talk about Google Drive. She just wants you to tell her what you understand by Google Drive. What are the features that you find interesting in the tool? What are the things you like to do with Google Drive? What are the things that you've learned now to do with Google Drive? Maybe how to submit maybe how to create a document, how to create a spreadsheet, and so on and so forth. Right? So that is that. So when you are done, you're not expected to put anything anywhere. Just come down below where you have this small box that says, I confirm this is my final submission for instructor's review. Check on this box or click on this box here. You see that it has turned to green. Now, click on submit assignment. Once you have done this, you are good to go. You are going to see that at a later time, an instructor is going to review this assignment and give you feedback. Your feedback will be shown at the bottom here. You will see what the person wrote here. Okay, so when you are done, you don't have anything to do here anymore. You can actually go out and log out. Now, after the next class, there will be another assignment. You can then come back here again and log in. Just come back here, log in when there is a new assignment or a new video to be watched. Just come back here again, log in. You'll be able to see the second assignment and the second recording. Like I said, if you want to watch the recordings, click on recordings. You will see them here. They'll be lined up in this particular part where it says fresh classes to watch next. Now, if you want to do your assignment, come back here, click on assignment. You will see your assignment here. Okay, you see assignment here. Now, if you want to see feedback, you can click on feedback to see what the instructor wrote on your assignment. So this is just what I wanted to make this video for, and I hope it has provided sufficient guide for those that may want to locate their video from the student platform or submit their assignment. So this is just how it is. Remember, you are welcome to Digital Witch, and we are actually here to ensure that you get the best experience so far. So thank you. Keep on checking this, please, for you're going to get more knowledge from here. And I promise to only give the best knowledge. So I'll see you some other time. Remember, the name is Richard N. Bye. See you some other time. Bye.